Want to make your electric fireplace the star of your living room? Decorating it is a great way to add personality and warmth to your space. Here's how you can style your electric fireplace for a cozy, inviting look. Start with the mantle. Whether it's a wall-mounted electric fireplace or a traditional insert, adding decor accents like candles, vases, and small plants can bring life to the space. Keep it simple for a minimalist vibe or layer your decor for a cozier look. Consider seasonal decor, switching items with each season to keep things fresh. In the colder months, try adding pine cones, lanterns, or even a cozy garland. For spring, flowers and light colors work wonders. Lighting is key for ambiance. Consider placing string lights or decorative lanterns around the fireplace. This extra lighting adds warmth and highlights your decor. Above the fireplace, artwork or a statement mirror can tie the entire look together. Choose something that complements the rest of your room's decor style for a harmonious design. No matter your style, these decorating ideas will help transform your electric fireplace into the cozy centerpiece of your home.